ऐसा है, the energy based on actually Rahu and Ketu axis. What kind of impact? It is no doubt it is a very ugly and bad combination between Rahu and Shukra in a special house, mainly seventh house, mainly in eighth house, or if it is 1-7 axis, then it is based on your personality. Okay. Why it is so dangerous? No doubt it is dangerous, but it is also very good. What is actually the output result of Rahu and Shukra axis, which is called Nagamani Yoga. This is Nagamani Yoga, is a very energetic combination between Rahu and Shukra. But what is the wrong part? What is the bad part? What is the ugly part of this Rahu and Shukra axis? It may give you a negative, lifestyle, which is called Vyabhicharini Yoga, the Veshyavritti Yoga. But is it this both combination in wrong house, in bad house, or in good house, in Kendra and Trikona? Your personality is affected by this Rahu and Shukra. Rahu means amplifying something of your requirement, your urge, your need, your greed. So you greed something, not need. This is not based on your need. It is based on your greed. And the Shukra means your happiness, your pleasure, your requirement, your essential comfort of your life means Shukra. And when they match with each other, your comfort, your happiness, your requirement, your need, and the Shukra, your greed, Rahu, your greed, they combine with each other in a particular house in very near by degree distance. And if the Jupiter, if the the aspect of Jupiter is there, then you say you commit you commit some good thing. Your life is good. But this is wrongly combined in a particular house, and it is by any malefic planet, in any aspect of any malefic planet, then it give you that bad deed in your life. It give you prostitution also, not for all, somehow. But what really this combination seems, what really this energy say, you have super energy inside you. It is on your hand that you convert into bad work or in good work, good job or bad job. For the Indian psychological society, Bharatiya Sanskriti, we based on family, we based on a society, we based on a separate ancient culture. So in this culture, we people just not accept this kind of activities, prostitutional activities. So it is bad thing. But this energy say your Muladhara chakra, your energy which manifests in your body as a sex energy, it is not really sex energy. It is the Muladhara chakra to uplift your energy towards Sahasrara for a good samadhi. This kind of Rahu Shukra combination in birth chart, the people are more spiritual practitioner for higher upliftment to achieve that supreme samadhi. But those people don't know, those people just not practice all these things, they drop down all the energy by their sexual organ, that is Bhava 7th house or Bhava 8th house. This is also good combination for practice of also sex meditation, all these things. But in spiritual science, in our Indian culture, this combination will be a good side. What this combination says, you are more proactive and active for the karma. There is no every question you have more question, no doubt, but only there is only one answer, that is karma, karma and karma. You more practice karma, you more perform karma, you save yourself, you make 100% busy on karma. You have no single time to think anything about the society, about yourself, about your other thing, ugly things or good thing or bad thing. If you know how to convert this Rahu Shukra energy in karmic effect in your life, then you do great job, for the nation, for the state, for the society. You are the good activist. You must, you have that capacity to achieve all the goal in your life. This is the powerful combination of Rahu Shukra. But if this combination is not, if you just not able to understand the energy, then it give you a great fall down on your life and you destroy your life. You just damage everywhere. Mentally you suck, physically you slowly you just release your energy by the sexual practices, and you destroy yourself 100% in all dimension, in front of society, in front of the family, in front of your friend circle, and also in the eye view of yourself. When you fall down in your eye view, then it is dangerous. Society okay, family okay, friend circle okay, it is very, very basic thing. But don't fall down on your eye, otherwise it is harmful for your life and death. It is harmful for your inner vyaktitva, inner personality. Then it is damage you and destroy you. This is only answer, that is perform karma yoga, do karma yoga, practice karma yoga without hope any return, any kind of that is called selfless service to the society, and don't hope anything, and going on such forceful work, then only you save from this kind of combination Rahu and Shukra. Over.